In today's video, I'll show you how to rename the submit button on the contact page in Shopify Horizon theme. As you can see right here, the default button text on the contact form is submit, but if you want to change it to something more custom, in this video I'll show you the settings where you can do that. At first, make sure to log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're in the Shopify dashboard, on the left side of the screen, under Sales Channels, click on the online store. Then look for a current theme, my case Horizon, and then select Edit Theme. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on drop down, then select Pages, Contact Page. On the left side of the screen, under Template, expand Contact Form, and then click on Submit button. On the right side of the screen, look for Label. Let's change it from Submit to Send Message. And finally, at top right corner, click on Save. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to your website and try refreshing the contact page. And as you can see, the button text was successfully updated. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. If more Shopify tutorials, please comment my channel. Thank you.